Hi, this video is for Madelyn. She is starting to work on perpetual motion for Suzuki violin. And so this is a video that is going to talk about some of the things we did in our lesson. So for review, make sure you're using that review schedule. Make sure that you're taking time to check your wrist very carefully in your scales, in your review. Tap the thumb, do a little polish. It's going to be super important that this hand is relaxed, that you have a good reach on fourth finger, and that your fingers are all in tune in the correct positions. We start doing this to our wrist, it makes our B flat, it makes our E flat. So we have to really be aware of this hand position a lot. So use the video I made last week to at least listen to. Hopefully you can do a little bit of playing with that for your review time also. And review, make that an important part of your practice. That review time is really helpful to solidify the fingers, solidify the technique, and make new learning even more easy as we approach more challenging songs here. Okay, so for that being said, we're going to move on towards perpetual motion. So for perpetual motion, we talked about the roadmap today in your lesson. There's an A, A1, B, B1, and a C section. The A and the A1 are the same notes, except the last two notes in A is open E, and the last two notes in A1 is open A. Okay, so we're going to sing and finger A and A1. You can do this with me, or if it's the first time you're listening to this video, then just go ahead and listen, and then you can rewind it and do it along with me. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready, sing, and A, B, C, C, B, C, D, D, C, D, E, C, D, B, E, E, A, B, C, C, B, C, D, D, C, D, E, C, D, B, A. So I did my violin and guitar position so you can see my fingers a little better. But you might want to practice this real posture here. And now we're going to do the same thing. Ignore that phone ringing there. We're going to do what we just did, which is the A and the A1. And you can keep doing the fingers just without the bow. You can do the bow without the fingers. You could just practice singing it. When you're ready, and you've done all of those successfully, left hand by itself, right hand by itself, singing by itself, then put it together and play it with me. You're going to want to rewind this video. Do this part a lot. We want to get this good at least 5 times in a row. Okay, A and A1. 1 and 2 and ready, play now. So that's the A section. We are about 3.5 minutes into this video. So please rewind it and redo that section at least 5 times good. And do not watch anything past this 3.5 minute part until you can do that good. Okay, if you're good and you've worked super hard, probably it's gonna take a few days to get to this point, maybe longer, okay? Then you can keep watching. We're gonna do the B section. I'll start off so you can see my fingers and we'll sing it together. This one starts with 3 on E, high Do, or high A on the E string. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready, sing B. A, G, F, F, G, F, E, E, F, E, D, D, C, B, E, E, A, G, F, F, G, F, E, E, F, E, D, D, C, B, A. Okay, so we want to do that. Rewind back to that 3.5 minute mark. Sing with it. Do the left hand with it. Maybe do the left hand up here with it. Do the bow with it. Do the bow and sing. Do the left hand and sing. Try it together. Okay, now we're about 4.5 minutes in, and we are going to play the B in the B1 section. 1 and 2 and ready, play now. Good. good. So you're going to rewind back to that that minute mark where I started the B. 4.5 minutes, I believe, is where it was. And what you want to do is play that good 5 times, okay? We're going to stop the video right here.